Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today I have prepared another simple New Year recipe for you, olives and okra stir-fried. I hope you will like it. Okra is also known as yellow okra, coffee okra, and commonly known as okra. Because of its appearance, it is very similar to pepper, so okra is also called foreign pepper. And eating more okra has the good meaning of auspiciousness, fertility, happiness, and longevity. Ingredients are just okra, onion, and olive vegetable. Wash and diced okra. Peel and slice onion. Stir-fry onion until fragrant. Once onion has released fragrance, add a tablespoon of olive vegetable. Add okra and stir-fry. Optional to add chicken powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt to taste. If to dry, add a tablespoon water from side of wok. Add a teaspoon of sugar and stir fry for another minute. Plate okra. Delicious stir-fry okra with olive vegetable is ready to be eaten. This dish is simple and easy to make. Make this dish as part of the New Year's vegetable recipe and share it with your family. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. The young fruit of okra contains a viscous liquid and arabinin, galactin, rhombose, protein, etc. Regular consumption helps digestion, enhances physical strength, protects the liver, and strengthens the stomach and intestines. Okra contains a variety of nutrients such as iron, calcium, and sugar, which can prevent anemia. It contains vitamin A and beta-carotene, which are beneficial to retinal health and maintain vision. 4. It is rich in trace elements such as zinc and selenium, which can enhance the body's anti-cancer and anti-cancer effects. Although okra is full of treasures, it is cold in nature. If it is eaten with cold foods, it will not only cause gastrointestinal discomfort, but also hurt the spleen and stomach. Therefore, when eating okra, it is not suitable to eat the following foods: bitter melon, wild rice stem, water chestnut, lotus root, bamboo shoots, dandelion, bitter vegetable, and seaweed. At the same time, it is best to eat okra with some regular meat or eggs, or with some hot foods, such as adding ginger when cooking. Can you eat uncooked croissant beans? Okra can be eaten raw, but uncooked okra is more difficult to digest and the nutrients absorbed by the body will be reduced, so it is recommended that you cook it before eating. 2. How long does it take to fry the lady's finger? If you like the crispy texture of okra, the entire stir-frying process will take about 2 minutes. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.